Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to put music on Instagram Notes. Have you ever wondered how to add music to your Instagram Notes? Well, consider yourself lucky because we're here to help you every step of the way. Whether you want to share a memorable quote, a creative poem, or even your thoughts of the day, adding music will make your Instagram Notes stand out from the rest. Get ready to impress your followers with your unique style and creativity. Let's get started and unlock a whole new world of captivating posts. Like me, if you are not logged in on your Instagram app, then tap on the login button. Type your Instagram password and tap on the login button. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Tap on the Your Note icon with a plus sign. Type your thought in the call-out box, and then tap on the music icon at the bottom. In the search box, you can search for your favorite song. Tap on a song name to put music on Instagram Notes. Tap and drag the selection to choose a part of the music that you want to share. Tap on the tick mark at the top right of the music timeline. This will add music to your Instagram Notes. Tap on the share link at the top right of your Instagram app. See, we have successfully put and posted music on my Instagram Notes. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.